Hey guys, Tanner here. Let's talk about the iPhone XS Max phone scope case. We just received the XS Max phone scope case. This is our premium injected case. As you can see, we've added some rubber strips to the inside here to help with shock absorption. We've also added 4 rubber bumpers in the corner of the phone scope case. So in the event you do drop your phone, it's going to help to protect it. We've kept the design the same with the optic adapter. It just drops in like so, twists and locks into place. To remove the disc, it's a little bit different on this go around. So we have this little tab here that you're just going to lift up, and then you're able to press up or down to center it over the preferred camera. With the iPhone XS Max, it does have that dual lens camera, so you've got a wide angle and a telephoto at the bottom. So if I want to adjust that, just pull that tab up and slide that phone scope case and slide that phone scope adapter plate to the top. That's going to be centered over the wide angle camera lens. To center over the telephoto lens, same process, just we're going to slide it to the bottom. So lift up on that center tab there and slide that case down. This little piece here, will drop into the holes that will lock that into place. So that's nice and secure, so it'll work great with the Skope Vision rifle scope adapter also. To remove that, same process. So you just lift up that tab and then just slide it up. In that center, you'll see it's a little larger, these grooves here. That's what will relieve it from the case. So this is designed to be an everyday case. Again, we've added the shock absorption. Its primary purpose is still to phone scope with, but we did add some protection for you. So we'll go ahead and drop that in there, and that's centered over the telephoto down to the bottom. To place your phone into the case, just slide into the top there, press down here at the bottom. There you go. So we got it locked into the case. To get it out of this phone scope case, what I recommend doing is on the bottom here of the case, I'll press down with my thumb and pull up here. It should just relieve that one corner, so it's a nice, secure, functional way to get that phone out of the case. So it's a nice, secure, and functional way to get your phone out of the case. So we'll just press on that tab, relieves that bottom corner, and then just work around the phone scope case till that other side's relieved, and you're ready to go. That's it, guys. The iPhone XS Max is ready to go. It's listed on our website, phoneskope.com. If you have any questions, send me an email, support@phoneskope.com, or you can give us a call, 800-790-4480. Remember, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and comment if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.